Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Family in Islam. Work as a team. One summer afternoon, the Prophet decided to go on a trip with 3 of his friends. On the way, they stopped outside town to pray and have lunch. After prayer, they decided to each take a task to prepare lunch. "I will go get the meat," one person volunteered. "I will cook the meat," another offered. "Leave it to me to set the tablecloth," said the third. "And I will gather the firewood," volunteered the Prophet. All 3 men said, "O Prophet of Allah, please sit down and rest. Give us the honor of preparing the food for you." The Prophet thanked them for their kindness and said, "I'm sure that you can handle it on your own, but I also want to help. Allah does not like it when a group travels together and someone does not pitch in to help with the work." He then set out to collect firewood. Within the hour, they were all gathered around the tablecloth, enjoying a delicious meal together.
وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ.
And help each other, be good and God conscious.
Prophet Muhammad has said,
"The best people are those who are most helpful to others."